Good morning. Today, I will share with you how to ensure holistic development of the child in early age. Uh, Especially, I will focus on ECCE, that is Early Childhood Care and Education. My main concern is how holistic development can be possible through an integrated and play-based approach which focuses on development of life skill. When we talk about life skills, we talk about, especially as a child, physical and motor development, language development, cognitive development, social, personal and emotional development, sensorial development, development of creative and aesthetic appreciation. uh, it is necessary to discuss how we are going to do this. So first, this is a general term, teaching through play. Bennett N. in 1997, in his book Teaching Through Play, Teachers Thinking in Classroom Practice, says play acts as an integrated mechanism which enables children to draw on past experiences, represent them in different ways, make connection, explore possibilities, and create a sense of meaning. It integrates cognitive processes and skills which assist in learning. Some of these develop spontaneously, others have to be learned consciously in order to make learning more efficient. We would like children to become successful learners. As I told you, I have taken this definition from Bennett. When we talk about holistic development of child, पहला चीज क्या जरूरी है? पहला चीज जरूरी है फिजिकल एंड मोटर डेवलपमेंट, gross motor skills, coordination of fine muscles with dexterity, eye-hand coordination, sense of balance, physical coordination, and awareness of space and direction, nutrition, health status, and practices. When we talk about holistic development, we talk about language development. So listening and comprehension, oral skills, speaking and communicating, vocabulary development, pre-literacy or emergent literacy skills like phonological awareness, print awareness, and concept, letter sounds, correspondence, uh, recognition of letters, building words and sentences, and early writing. So, introduction to language of a school transaction. When we talk about holistic development of child at ECCE, then we talk about cognitive development. Cognitive development concerns the development of various concepts including pre-number and number concepts and operations, knowledge and skills related to comparing, classification, seriation, conservation of space and quantity, one-to-one correspondence, counting, a spatial sense, pattern and estimations in measurement, data handling, skills related to sequential thinking, critical thinking, observing, reasoning, and problem solving, and knowledge about concepts and physical, social, and biological environment. When we talk about holistic development of child, we talk about socio, personal, and emotional development at early age. So, how we are going to ensure and what are the things we need to take care? Development of self concept, self control, life skills, self help skills, habit formation, initiative and curiosity, engagement and persistence, cooperation, compassion, social relationships, group interactions, pro social behavior, expressing feeling, accept others' feeling. When we talk about holistic development of a child, we talk about sensorial development. So, sensorial development is development of the five senses through visual, auditory, and kinesthetic experience. When we talk about holistic development of the child, we talk about development of creative and aesthetic appreciations. What is this? This is exploring different art forms, develop dispositions, expressions, and appreciation for artistic dance, drama, and musical activity. वंस अगेन मैं सम अप करना चाहूँगा जो अभी मैंने डिस्कस किया 6 पॉइंट डेवलप डिस्कस किया जो होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट एक बच्चे का होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट को इंश्योर करने के लिए ज़रूरी है जिसमें मैंने डिस्कस किया फिजिकल एंड मोटर डेवलपमेंट लैंग्वेज डेवलपमेंट कॉग्निटिव डेवलपमेंट सोशल पर्सनल एंड इमोशनल डेवलपमेंट sensorial development or last 6 development of creative and appreciation aesthetic appreciation. So thank you so much.